Money. It's something we all use, but very few truly understand. Whether you're just getting started or ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Welcome to MoneyMap, your weekly guide to personal finance, smart investing, and financial protection. At MoneyMap, we help you save smarter, invest better, and protect more, with weekly insights that actually work. No fluff, no jargon, just clear, actionable advice to help you grow, protect, and multiply your money. Subscribe now and explore what's coming next, like 5 smart ways to make the most of your salary. Do you really need life insurance? MoneyMap, smarter choices, stronger finances, one video at a time.